Perfect, 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 perfect.
Alright, this is a few days after I took care of the refrigerant on this international Transtar. I pulled the cabin air filter out, and this is the state of the cabin air filter. And I even tried cleaning it with an air hose, but it started tearing. So I said screw it, and I just went out and bought a brand new one. I'm gonna see if this takes care of it, and if this doesn't, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that clutch to see if that clutch is going bad, and hopefully that compressor, I pray, is not going bad. But at the moment, this is the quickest fix for the symptoms he's getting. So I'm just going to replace the cabin air filter for the time being. For comparison, how dirty that one is compared to the new one.